everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm back with the bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Taurus, as Taurus is one of the signs which got the most views. So, this is going to be a you versus them read, and yep. Before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Taurus, let's see what's going on in your connection with your specific someone. In this reading, we will also tap into the messages coming from your person. Along with that, we will also see the future of the connection that you have with your specific someone. So let's dive into the read and let's find out what is happening in your connection. I'm going to divide the same deck into two halves. One is going to be your energy, one is going to be the person's energy, but you can always switch the styles because for some of you this is going to be your energy, for others of you maybe this is going to be yours. So pick whichever side resonates with you more, and the other side is going to be of your person. So the first two cards are going to be the future of the connection, which we're going to see later on, but yeah, let's see what is happening in this connection. I'm going to start with this pile of cards. Let's see. Nine of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, the Empress, King of Pentacles. There could be age difference between the two of you in this connection, or the way you look at things is different. Your perspectives are different in this connection. Maybe one person is really looking forward to have something long term committed with the other person. The other person is like for now at least they are acting mature, but in a way where they don't want to think for the far-fetched future. So they are happy with the way things are. They are not considering about what will happen in the future between the two of you. It seems like, if hold on, let's take two more cards first. Eight of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and the Star. Taurus, what's going on? For some of you, I feel like, maybe you especially if this is you and this is the energy of the person that you are dealing with, maybe the person that you are dealing with, they are already taken by someone else. Maybe there is a third party situation involved there. Maybe they have kids, maybe they have a spouse as well right now. When it comes to you and them, it seems like this person is not putting much into this connection. This person could be somebody that you're working with, and they do see you as that only, but somehow maybe from your end it's a one-sided situation. You see this person as your wish fulfillment, you see this person as the one for you, but when it comes to this person's energy, it seems completely it seems like this person is not taking you as how you are taking them. Again, maybe because they already have another person in their life. That could be the reason too. Let's take more cards. And I do see you whoever it is that you're dealing with, this person loves getting the attention that you give them, but at the same time they are not going to commit to you. They are not going to give you anything. Why? Because this person is either already taken, or they don't see you as them. It can be racial difference, it can be a financial difference, but there is some sort of a difference between the two of you, and this person doesn't see you as how they are, like maybe financially, maybe status wise. They are not gonna consider you as they're the one. Even though they love getting the attention that you are giving to them, but somehow there is a void between the two of you. When it comes to you, I do see that, right now maybe they are your wish fulfillment, but with the passage of time, as you don't get the response from this person exactly the way you want, I do see this connection kind of falling apart. And if that happens, that will trigger this person to think seriously about you. So I feel like, for a majority of you, this is going to be you, but the energies could be reversed for some of you as well. Maybe you are the one who is not giving into the connection right now, and you are too focused on yourself and your goals as well. And if that's the case, your person would start feeling as if you are already taken or something, because they don't understand how can one person be so busy caught up with the work scenarios. So they would pull away, thinking that you are either with somebody else already, or there is no possibility of you two together in the future. So they are going to run away from you, they are going to stop talking to you. I feel like, this connection is definitely falling apart. Now let's see, will it, will it end forever, or will it be like a phase that you have to go through before you could come together for a new beginning? Let's see what's going to be the future of the connection that you have with your specific someone. Now, it's not going to end. This person here, be that you or the person that you are dealing with, they're gonna start changing themselves towards you, and that too when you would be least expecting that change to come in. So it's gonna be a sudden development coming from your person's end towards you. And if it is you, then you are going to change towards your specific someone suddenly, especially if they are, already pulled away from you. They have already done that. You are going to change yourself towards this person suddenly. Out of nowhere, your attitude towards them is going to be more committed, more giving in the connection. So I feel like, you both are soulmates for sure. So for some of you, maybe there is an age difference, but for majority of you, I do see that there is this difference of some kind. There's a void between the two of you. This person might have had some ego issues, some financial issues, but yes, you could not understand this. But then, let's see underneath the deck. Four of Cups, they were not ready to commit, they were not ready to give in, which definitely added clouds of doubts and fears to you. They do miss you, they do think about you, then why don't they do the things that needs to be done? So what happens is, it could be the work scenario for majority of you, or the people influence, like maybe, work or responsibility of the family, or if they were once married, they have a responsibility of a kid as well, which could be influencing the connection. But as you pull away from this person will start giving into the connection. So I do see that, that's coming in. Let's see the message cards from the person that you are dealing with. Let's see, what do they secretly want you to know? What is it that your person secretly wants you to know? Let's see, what is it that your person secretly wants you to know? It's because of their work. It's because of the lack of stability that they can offer right now. That's the reason why they are kind of not indulging into this connection right now. They have their guards up, even though they get happy when they are with you, but they are waiting for the right time. And as the time passes by, they will come up with a new beginning to offer. Again, that is going to be very unexpected. They will end whatever was stopping them. No more blocks, no more any confusion, and then they are going to face whatever it was for them to face before they could come forward with a new beginning to have with you in this connection. They will be more than addicted to you as compared to how you feel addicted to this person. This person is going to be more demanding of you. I feel like, you both are soulmates for sure. But yes, I feel you might have been with this person for quite some time. Maybe you have grown up together. It's like, that kind of a long journey that you have had with this person. It could be a twin flame journey for majority of you. But yes, you guys are going to come together forever now. And it's all gonna happen out of nowhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.